Hey everybody, this is Tech Ed Kirsch. If you are an educator or course creator or in any capacity like that, and you just want to generate some quizzes for students or for anyone who's interested in what you're doing, then check out QuizGecko.com. This is a free tool you can use to generate quizzes just from text. So this is something that I use in ChatGPT a lot and other AI tools like Jasper.ai. But I'm going to show you how you can do this in QuizGecko. So just go to your text field and paste the text that you're working with that you want to make a quiz on. And I'd say the maximum current carrying capacity of a copper trace usually differs from the so on and so forth, right? And then you would go to question type, set it to whatever you want, true or false, multiple choice, fill in the blank. And the number of questions, I'll have it auto-generate the number of questions and the results. And then set the difficulty to easy, because who doesn't like easy quizzes? So the next step is to generate the quiz. And I really like how this does this, and it generates it really fast. And you can name the quiz, right? So traces, PCB traces. If you don't know what a PCB is, it stands for printed circuit board. And you want to check out my other videos where I show you how to design a printed circuit board from scratch. Okay, what are some factors that can affect the maximum current carrying capacity of a copper trace? Well, it's not the color of the PCB. It's not the size of the PCB necessarily. So indirectly, it would be the number of components or pads, and it's in the text. So, it lets us know. So we choose B, correct. And if it's incorrect, it'll let you know if it's right or wrong. Okay. And then you can rate or rank the quiz and say thumbs up or thumbs down, or you can modify the answers as needed so that it's more direct. What can happen to a trace between pads during initial power supply? It can burn down. So with that current going through the trace, it's going to get really hot, get hot too quickly, and that can happen. So how can we mitigate or avoid that transient surge? It depends. Solder mask can help control that, and it's in the text as well. So this is really cool, and you can rate the results as, say, bad, okay, amazing. I think this is great, actually. So next, let's share and export. So I'm going to show you how to export. So you can export it as a text, export it as a CSV. Extremely convenient to do that. And then you can publish a link. So you can do view quiz, and then this is your quiz link. Then you can play the quiz, which is amazing. So you can immediately deploy the quiz on a web page. This is fantastic. All right. What are some factors that affect the maximum current carrying capacity? Right. So you can click on that. And it even tells you, it even pulls up the text to give you feedback. So you don't have to manually create feedback. What can happen to trace pads, trace between pads during initial power supply? Okay, burn down. Moreover, super large transient can, this is amazing. What can be applied to PCB traces to avoid transient surge? Okay, solder mask, next question. Okay, and it lets you know how you score. You restart the quiz and make your own quiz using AI as a promotional little thing there. So that is extremely powerful. I've been using other tools to generate quizzes and to store them in Word documents. But I'm going to start using AI quiz generator more because it's been very convenient for me as an educator, as an online course instructor. I'm going to use this more to create quizzes for all my courses. All right. So if you're not doing this and you're a teacher, trainer, educator, you can copy paste any text from your book that you're teaching from, your documentation, and you can do that. By the way, this text was from Sierra Circuits, Designed for Manufacturing Guide. So check that link out in the description below. And also you can click on the link to the AI Power Quiz Generator QuizGecko and follow me if you want to learn more about artificial intelligence, AI tools that you can use to be super, super productive. I'm going through every one that I can find. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one where I'll show you how to generate a quiz using ChatGPT.